In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to delete your business portfolio on Facebook. So let's get started. So to delete this, you just need to log into your Facebook account first that has access or permission to delete that business profile or portfolio on MetaSuite. So first is that you want to go head over here into the left menu, and then you want to click here on See More and just select the Ads Manager option. And now, once you're here, is that it will now open up your ads manager. And from here, you'll now be able to see all of your business portfolios. So in here, you just simply want to select which business portfolio would you like to delete. So for example, I would want to go for this one or this Shopify business portfolio, for example. And now I'm just going to go into that and click here on settings for that business portfolio. And it will now take me into this page. As you can see, I am now in this business portfolio. Now, the next thing is that you want to navigate into the business info right here. You want to click on that. And now from here, you should now be able to see all the business portfolio info, and then you'd have the option in here to permanently delete a business. So you want to click on that. And now from here, so before you schedule your business portfolio for deletion, here's what will happen. So make sure that you take note of that. And then you can always you can cancel the deletion within 24 hours by going to the business info and choosing don't delete business. So you're going to click here on delete portfolio once you are now ready to proceed. And as you can see, this business portfolio can't be deleted yet because before we can do that, we will need to resolve any issues that may be blocking it from being deleted. So yeah, you would need to solve these issues first. So these issues might be subjective depending on what kind of issues you'd have. So you would have to figure that out on what issue you are having with your account. But after it's fixed, this is how you can do it on deleting this. You just need to proceed by clicking here on next, and it will now be scheduled for deletion. And take note, you only have 24 hours for you to cancel the deletion if you ever change your mind. So that's it on how you could delete business portfolio on Facebook. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.